Step 1 begins with separating the two pieces of a 6-inch wooden needlework hoop, but the inside aside for now. Get a piece of string, the length suggested. Use a drop of hot glue to glue the end of a length of string to the inside of the outer 6-inch wooden needlework hoop. Thread a gold or silver small jingle bell onto the string and wrap the string around the wooden hoop, making sure the jingle bell is on the outside of the 6-inch wooden hoop. Continue threading until the wooden hoop is complete. Glue the end of the string to the inside of the wooden hoop with a drop of glue to hold it in place. Step 2 begins with gluing the cut lengths of organza, satin, lace and glittered ribbon to the inside of the jingle bell wooden needlework hoop. These will hang down. We used varying lengths of ribbon to create interest. Have fun with this. Now for the fun part. In step 3, take a large piece of lace and place it over the wooden needlework hoop you first put aside. Then take the decorated wooden needlework hoop, loosen the screw and place the outer hoop on top of the inner hoop with the lace. This stretches the lace tight. Once you are satisfied with the look, rescrew the hoop. For step 4, cut the excess lace off around the edge of the hoop and add a few drops of glue to secure the lace and hoop in place. Step 5 has you printing and cutting out the free printable tags. Find the PDF file, click on it and save it to your laptop. You will have these printed. Using a standard hole punch, punch a hole in the top of the tags and tie the tags onto the lace wooden tambourines you just created with string. These wooden tambourines not only make wonderful favors to hand out to your guests, and would be fun to have your guests shake them as you walk down the aisle and in celebration of your pronouncement. Remember to have fun. The supplies you will need: lace, organza, satin ribbon, sparkle ribbon, string, scissors, glue gun, a 6-inch wooden needlework hoop, a hole puncher, small gold or silver jingle bells, paper tags. The PDF for the tags can be downloaded from this site. After you put together your first tambourine, it should take about 10 minutes for each hoop.